Hey everyone, and welcome back. Want a complete productivity system in Todoist without paying a cent? Let me show you how to build one using only free features. Step 1, set up your project structure. You get 5 projects. Use them like this: inbox for capturing everything, next actions for your current tasks, projects for bigger goals, waiting for delegated items, and someday maybe for future ideas. Step 2, use sections inside projects. In next actions, add sections called today, this week, and this month. This gives you more organization without using extra projects. Step 3, create 3 essential labels. Make a computer for desk work, a phone for calls, and at errands for tasks outside your home. This helps you batch similar tasks together. Step 4, set up your daily review. Every morning, open your Today view. Pick your top 3 priorities, work through them first before touching anything else. Step 5, do a weekly review. Every Friday, empty your inbox, check your projects list, and move completed tasks to a completed section or delete them. Step 6, use recurring tasks. Set up weekly review every Friday, plan tomorrow every evening. These automate your routines. Step 7, create one filter. With 3 free filter slots, use one for this query: today vertical bar overdue and dot subtask. This shows all overdue in today's tasks without cluttering subtasks. And that's it. You now have a complete productivity system that captures, organizes, and reviews your work. If you build this system, let me know which step helped most in the comments. See you in the next one.